Falling through the amber sky, leaves drift softly as I fly. The river glows in autumn light. I follow paths that fade from sight. I'm falling like a quiet stream, chasing colors in between. Cliffs rise tall on either side, and I surrender to the shadows race across the water. Every line grows sharper, bolder. I dive through gold and cooling air, searching for calm that waits somewhere. I'm flying through the fading glow, holding dreams the river knows. The world below begins to slow, and I